See, acid means the substance which dissolve in water that releases H plus ion. That's we called acid. You
Yes,
can
sir.
see here HCl when dissolved in water, H plus releases, then we'll get Cl minus. Same thing you make and write HCl gives rise H plus plus Cl minus. So here H plus releases, same HNO3. When dissolved in water, you make and get here H3O plus plus NO3 minus. So similarly, you can write it here. Same HNO3 you can write alone or with water, doesn't matter. H plus plus NO3 minus. But this is correct because H plus alone they can't exist. So that combined with water. So that's why, but both are correct, doesn't matter here. So I can take few more substances, we may can find out H2SO4. It can releases here one H plus ion first. So after that, one more H plus ions also can releases H plus plus SO4 2 minus. Which way I'm keeping here, double arrow means that is exist as equilibrium. This is forward reaction. It can take place even backward reaction also. That is the meaning that one. Wherever I'm writing
Yes, sir.
double arrow, so forward as well as backward both can occur. So these are the acids. You may can take H3PO4. You can write here H3PO3, H3PO2, HNO2. Okay, even
Yes, sir.
all these are acids. It can release H plus ions, acetic acid. So acetic acid, suppose that releases H plus ions, which hydrogen can releases? We can find out here. This is also hydrogen, this is also hydrogen. But that ready to releases from oxygen attached hydrogen, which is oxygen attached hydrogen. So CH3, CO minus plus H plus. This is we called acetic acid.
Yes, sir.
So this is the main composition in vinegar. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So acid meaning, I hope you got it.
Yes, sir.
Fine. And now here acid only H2SO3. Name of this acid is sulfurous acid. Sulfurous acid. H2SO4. Name of this acid is sulfuric acid.
Yes, sir.
Same HNO3 is there. This is nitric acid. HNO2, nitrous acid. H3PO4, phosphoric acid. Clear? Like this acid, ic acids there, which is acid means acid and ic acid difference we can see. Ic acid have maximum number of oxygens which can bear, which can accept. Acid is less number of oxygens. You can remember easily, but still different names is there
Yes,
with
sir.
respect to HClO4 or HClO3. This is chloric acid. So anyway, names is there in organic acids. Leave it. So mostly acid means little bit less number of oxygens. Ic acid is the maximum number of oxygens.
Yes, sir.
So note down this point. Next you can write it. Suppose H2SO4. It can release 2 H plus ions. Now only I shown that one. 2 H plus ions plus SO4 2 minus. Which is ic acid releases anion we called ATE. Name end with ATE. This is sulfate. AT, end with AT, which is S acid is there, its name end with IT. For example, H2SO3, it releases 2H plus ions that become here SO3 2 minus. This is sulfite. Please note down these are sentence wise, otherwise your wish can note it down. Ic acid get from ic acid which we are getting anion is, this is anion, negative charge is there anion. So this is
Yes, sir.
AT. Us acid which we are getting, this is sulfuric acid.
Yes, sir.
Ic acid AT. Us acid sulfurous acid.
It-
YUS then IT. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Can you try it? HNO3, what is the name which we are getting after releasing H plus ions, and HNO2. So H plus plus NO3 minus.
Nitric acid.
NO2 minus, you can write.
Yes, sir.
This is nitrate, is it correct? Because nitric acid.
Yes, sir.
So nitrate. ATE acid. Nitrous acid. So us acid, you can write it nitrite. So how
Yes,
to
sir.
identify this is easy way, okay? You can find out very easy.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, S2CO3, it will get 2H plus ions plus CO3 2 minus. You know this is carbonate.
Yes, sir. Carbonate.
So ATE means this should be ic acid, carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. Things understood?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Next, base we can write. Here, the substance dissolve in water that releases OH minus ion. You can write according to Arrhenius theory. Arrhenius is the scientist name. According to Arrhenius theory, the substance which releases OH minus ion. The substance which releases OH minus ion when dissolved in water.
Yes, sir.
So this basic definition according to Arrhenius acid base theory. So you may can study higher standard. So you can get later 11th standard clearly. So now we can see
Yes, sir.
basic definitions. Suppose NaOH when dissolved in water, it releases Na plus OH minus.
Minus.
So OH minus means base.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can write remaining equations also which we are getting, all this which you are writing. Calcium hydroxide. Write your answers. How many OHs will get? Then what is ions? So this is the way you can write all the substances dissolving in water, then they're releasing OH minus. So this we call bases.
Yes, sir.
So you can write with identify the acid and bases from the following. Okay,
Yes, sir.
identify the acids and bases from the following. So I'm giving space, you can write that is.
Yes, sir.
So here I'm giving one more point. Under note, you can write it.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Basicity means number of H plus ions released by acid or number of H plus ions reacted with reactor replaces, you can write it.
Yes, sir.
I can write here reacted or replaces also can write replaced by OH minus ions. Replaced by OH minus ions. So this is indicate this is for acids. If only one H plus ion releases, that we call monobasic. If two H plus ions are dibasic. So opposite term for acids basic.
Yes, sir.
Acidity is the exactly this is for bases opposite this one. Number of OH minus ions.
Yes, sir.
Replaced or reacted, anything you can write. Replaced or reacted with H plus ions. This is for base. Okay, this is for bases.
Yes, sir.
For example, NaOH. It releases one OH plus, OH minus. This is we call this acidity is 1. For NaOH acidity is 1. Similarly, for magnesium hydroxide, so it can release as 2 OH minus, so its acidity is 2. If that releases 2 OH minus ions, okay,
Yes, sir.
that depends upon how many that releases. For example, here H2SO4 is there. It releases here only one H plus ion plus HSO4 minus. Here basicity is one only because that releases only one H plus ion. Even they have two, but how many releases, that is important for us. So here basicity is one.
Yes, sir.
So even they have two, but you have to choose only one. In the reaction question, definition very clear. How many H plus ion releases? That's we call basicity. Now, can you write these things, basicity and everything, which is, I think so, this you can note it down here. In this case, this is acid. I'm writing answers.
Yes, sir.
Acid, but here basicity is 2 here because only 2 they can release, not 3 based on structure. That is, I will provide the structure. Here this
Yes,
is
sir.
1 OH minus, so base. So how much
Yes,
here?
sir.
Acidity is 1.
1.
Here H is releases, acid this is. Anyway, this is the only one basicity. Here also
1.
acid and 1.
Yes, sir.
So here base, but 2. Here also base, 2. Here also base and 2.
Yes, sir.
So this is the thing, acid and bases. And salt also we'll discuss. Generally, for your standard, salt means we'll get this is acid plus base.
Base.
They can react. You can get here salt plus water.
Yes, sir.
This is the reaction. So we can write it those things. HCl is the acid or base you can identify. NaOH.
Acid. Base.
So how to find out H plus is there here and OH minus. Just very simple to write these reactions. First we can write sign. Positive, negative can you write?
H plus Cl minus.
Complete the reaction. So you can write it as H plus. Always you have to think about starting one is positive character, next one is negative character. This is minus
Yes,
1.
sir.
This is positive. This is minus 1. Just exchange these things. Plus minus we can exchange, right? But you can apply crisscross method, then only how to write it. Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
H
Yes,
plus
sir.
and OH minus they can react each other. We'll get H2O. Na plus and Cl minus they can react each other.
NaCl.
NaCl will get.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now this is water, this is salt. I am giving now H2SO4 plus KOH. Right?
Yes, sir. Sir, 2H2O plus KSO4.
Okay, we can see. So this is plus, fine. This
Yes,
is
sir.
minus. How much this is minus? Sulfate?
Minus 1.
No. Yesterday we learned all the things. SO4, how much charge?
SO4.
Go and see yesterday your class notes.
SO4 2 minus.
Please keep in mind always this is fixed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is minus 2. K is plus 1. This is minus 1. When you are writing here, after applying crisscross method, then only you have to write it.
Yes, sir.
Hydrogen is +1 and OH is -1. So you have to take only numbers. This 1 you can write here, here also 1. I can get here H1, OH1. So both are 1. I can write total. If you are adding H2O, you will get it. Plus. Potassium is +1. Very good. SO4 2 minus. Always by applying crisscross method, then you have to give answer. This is K2.
Yes, sir.
SO4, whole 1 is 1. So it doesn't matter, you can write 1 or
Sir,
not.
it is only H2 or 2H2O.
Yes, we can fill that one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
SO4. 2H2O you will get. Because here, first you can write all the products perfectly, then you can balance automatically. Here 2 potassium is
Yes,
there,
sir.
that's why I can keep here 2. Then here total 4 hydrogens means I can keep here 2, like that. If you write this formula
Yes.
perfectly, K2SO4, then automatically you can balance the equation. So can you try one more question?
Yes, sir.
Barium hydroxide plus H3PO4. Right. So check these anions, their charges, then apply crisscross method, then give answers. Okay. Take time, doesn't
Yes.
matter. Then give final answer. So can you recheck your answer, which I wrote? This is
Yes.
Ba3PO4. Same answer you got, any difference?
Sir, I got 3H2O, sir.
Okay. See, phosphate 3 minus, you know that one?
Yes, sir.
3 minus, this is 2 plus. By applying crisscross, I can get Ba3PO4 twice. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
How many barium is there in the product? 3. Got it?
3.
Then I have to write
Yes,
3
sir.
only. Na? Before this barium, I have to write 3.
Yes, sir.
Left side number of atoms equal to right side number of atoms. There is a law of conservation of mass.
Yes, sir.
I think so you've done your lesson also, that is very clearly. So 3 barium means
Yes,
product
sir.
also 3. Then you can check it how many OHs here. 3 into 2, 6 OHs. 2
Yes,
into 3,
sir.
6 hydrogens. So you will get 6 water molecules. No?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
One more question, shall we try it?
Yes, sir.
Take it challenge. Next question you have to give perfect answer. Okay, try it. Write it. So just your work
Yes.
is make it charges, then crisscross, then balance. Very simple, that is, this is 3 plus minus 1 plus 1
OH
2
minus.
minus. So right, H and OH is what? That is fixed. Plus this is 3 plus and 2 minus. You can apply crisscross method. Al2 SO4 taken thrice. See, just opposite charges we can take it, then apply crisscross method. Very simple. This is 3 plus. Even you have doubt how sir we are getting 3 plus. Actually yesterday we given, that is basics. Even
Yes, sir.
otherwise you can try it. This 3 you can go back. 3 from this is na aluminum. Here 1 is for
Aluminum.
OH. So you can write Al3 plus here, OH minus 1. Got it?
OH minus.
So
Yes,
like that
sir.
also you can get charges. So now we can balance here 2 aluminum is there. Product means how much here? Reactant also 2. I can write 2 here. How many sulfates here? 3.
3.
So here should be 3 na? Now
Yes,
count
sir.
how many OH is there? How many total? 2 into 3. So how many OHs?
6.
6.
6.
So 6 water molecules. Got it?
Yes, sir.